say na letene fialu ilefale olo ananafi. So this is our tense. If we were to say our subject, why wouldn't we say this as a subject if we're using the tense subject or the TSALT way? Why is this incorrect?
Because it's not a pronoun.
It's not a pronoun, it's a common noun, the girl. So the girl. So this is absolutely incorrect. You won't hear, well, I've never heard in life na letene fialu ile fale oloa ananafi. You would hear na fialu letene ile fale oloa ananafi. So that letene, to make it correct, is going to be after. So that's what we see down here. Na fialu letene ile fale oloa ananafi. So the only reason why this is incorrect is because it's not a pronoun. Here's a pronoun right here. Or okay, so yes. So here's a pronoun going after the action, which is what we've been learning from, all the way up until now. Na, so that's our tense. We have our action. Fialu actually. Wanna go? Our subject is oia, which is the subject, which is gonna be, in this case, we're talking about her. So letene, her, na fialu oia, and then to the store yesterday. So she went to the store yesterday. All right, but if we want to make this in a TSALT way, with a tense subject in the action, the subject, again, just like you said, always going to be a pronoun. Na ia fialu ile fale oloa ananafi. Na ia fialu ile fale oloa ananafi. So that is going to be the subject, is her or she. So she went. Na ia fialu. Na ia fialu ile fale oloa ananafi. All right. Let me see if there's any questions on that. It's a very common way to say stuff, and you're gonna hear it all the time. And okay, no, yeah, you're gonna hear this all the time. So it's very important that we get this concept. Okay. Again, TSALT pronouns are used to emphasize the action. Oh, okay, we do have a question. I like TSALT better. Okay, yeah, well, TSALT is actually the way you'll hear it most of the time. But if a pronoun doesn't fit, pronouns don't always fit. That's when they'll say it like that. Okay, but yeah, it's this is the way they say it all the time. I've changed the course up where trying to figure out how to, because I've introduced them both at the same time. Everybody was confused. Like most of the people dropped out. Some people like Sean probably don't know. Like it's me, him, and like two other people in here. Most people. So this is why we go for so long, and then we learn this since it's a little bit easier. Typical conversations that don't emphasize the doer use the TSALT way. So yeah, so most most conversations is gonna be this way, the TSALT way, because you're not saying, yeah, I'm the one. You're not always stressing yourself. You're saying I went. You're like, yeah, I went to the store. You want them to know that you went. But when you want to express yourself, then that's when we go to throwing the pronoun after our action, if that makes sense. Okay. All right, so let's do some examples here. So I is o, remember? So all the time we've been learning a'u, like alwa'u, like after. Okay, but this time we're gonna say ole a o alu ile fale ma'i ile ne po. Anyone knows what this one says?
Why did you go to